What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel HPM Tech. Today's new video: Gram DAAD scholarship with IELTS fully funded. Join your Telegram and China Fairplay materials. Source and text suppliers and frankly fresh and trustless and the complete industries study and Germany without IELTS. Apply for Gram and DAAD scholarship without IELTS and for academic years 2023. Apply without IELTS and fully funded Grammy scholarship that funded and government all international bachelor, master and PhD degree program with your now and the you can study free grants and public university without rural and fee. Germany does and charges tutorial fees international students and gram and education system is built and trust access in the Galway big break scratch and content submit application and application is your current open date benefit the international student each and these 1 lakh scholarship and grants and international student Germany university with range and academy program to choose your from. The scholarship given and before and funded by Germany and government. You can check other fully funded scholarship in Germany for 2022 and last. The latest DAAD scholarship without IELTS is given before and update latest fund funded scholarship and 2020 to 2023 tab of content. First, last of Gram and DAAD scholarship without IELTS that are open. 1. How can you get and full scholarship Gram and DAAD and submit scholarship program that is study in scholarship master student government of Germany scholarship last German universe without IELTS how to student in Germany without IELTS other full founded scholarship Germany Friendlit and Bus scholarship in Germany and Lex Bulls founded scholarship Germany hot country Germany funded benefit fully funded program bachelor master and PhD degrees program relate articles work from study Germany starting salaries and how can I get full funded scholarship Germany. You can get and full scholarship Germany and by apply anyone the following scholarship latest before 1D8 humble and submit scholarship program Red humble and submit scholarship Germany in academy years and 2023 work experience and not modify and apply for the humble and submit program and paid fully funded scholarship in Germany is available and study full time and master degree program available in 8 university in Germany. Final covers and tutorial fees and monthly allowance and family children and allowance medical insurance founded and international study yours. For more information visit here. Second, DAAD a student scholarship master student a programmed or master degree program in complete state and regulation university Germany. Financial cover and tutorial fees monthly allowance family children allowance and medical insurance funded fund international study airfare tickets. For more information visit government office Germany scholarship in 2020 the once and largest scholarship program in Germany, and all international students open, complete full and time and master and PhD degree program from top Germany university. The name and student scholarship date of department related post regulation and course the scholarship full founded program in Germany. For more information apply last Germany in university without Alex. They are in University Germany V in apply students University in Sengest, University of Calista, University of Jelex, 3 University Berlin, University of Proles and Legot, Blessed University of Applied Science and Hollis Election, University of Technology, University of Kiel, University Karl, the University and Applied Science elected technical hosted English Flynn and University Applied Science and University Applied Science North and University Applied Frick and Applied Science University Case Lord Technical Host defended University of Fislis and Helest Ross in University Bochum, University Fext and University Sengest, University Brilliance, University of Bonn, Chief University Technology, Host Island Material University and how to study Germany without Alex. Study Alex in this and joining English programming without have and take Alex experience provide English certificate medical intersection more and the time and admission read and English protect other fully founded scholarship Germany in Fricks scholarship the programming avail and the student accurate and bachelor master PhD student Germany and University Technology College student and called subject expert 14 scholarship available final cover and monthly and travel allowance and health and insurance book and tutorial and other experience cover. For more information Alex born and founded scholarship Germany 2022 the Hans and board and founded scholarship grant 100 scholarship per year student under education master and doctorate degrees programming German and University the Hans and scholarship founded and Da Hess and Bowles founded final cover tutorial fees monthly allowance family and children allowance medical insurance final and international students. For more information related articles Brahm and government scholarship PhD scholarship and Canada Alex not more and option flow and along Facebook page Instagram joining Facebook groups and Telegram groups WhatsApp groups and YouTube channel. For the other information subscription notification get its latest opinion and that only share with your email subscribe join and other subscription did your apply and last jail and so scholarship 2020-23 scholarship calls and Canada founded details and the link website latest scholarship and 2020 academy to see more and opinion course and 4 tax and university scholarship founded fully founded and MS and PhD scholarship you can close new post and separation Spain scholarship without Alex founded and complete guide details Spain's scholarship are open international bachelor master student and apply scholar in opinion course and Muhammad Singh retired and fought for fully funded scholarship and United States IPS truck and motivation speak and education here start scholarship blog and opinion content young students and Golba opinion for fee. For like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update.